For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a black and white Valentine's Day design. I'm starting off with my nails painted black, and I have a white and a silver accent nail, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the silver. I'm going to take a makeup sponge and load that up with some glitter, and then sponge that onto my silver nail. Whenever sponging nail polish onto your nail, you want to do that 2 or 3 times until you get the desired effect. On our white accent nail, we'll add a couple of black hearts. I'm going to be using one of the collab plates from Lina, and this one is Shanna's Nail Adventures. When stamping my design, I'm going to place it at an angle so I can have the 2 hearts overlapping. Using that same design, we'll add our second heart. Now remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's our completed design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.